Next, let's use the viewport snipping tool and make a video. So click on the viewport tab, add viewport. And in this case, I already have some CAD software open. It's Onshape in another browser tab. So we'll share that screen and get this about how we like it. So we'll use that view and head back to RenderCAD. And the viewport is sharing, so let's crop this region to about here. And click on the camera button to capture it, and it will send it down to the render stack. So let's go back to Onshape. About there. And capture. So we'll close the viewport because we don't need that anymore. And select a product condition. We'll do factory new. Background white. Material. We'll leave that to auto. And we don't need any additional details for this. Let's go ahead and render. Now, when we captured these renders, they were in 16:9 ratio, which is what the video engine currently likes. Okay, there's the two images. And the reason I chose two different angles is because when we're making a video, it's easier to get predictable results if we have a start and an end frame. So we can do it just without one, and we'll try that. But we'll do it with a start and end frame as well. So hover over the tile and hit the Create Video button. Or you could click on the Video Generator button over here. So we'll hover over the tile and Video. And we've got the two different style options. We've got the end frame condition, the camera settings, product motion, and then details, as well as the duration and resolution. So first we'll leave it on exact style. Then we'll select an end frame. We could leave it as none and give it instructions in the details prompt, or we could choose seamless loop, select from history, or upload an image. So in this case, we'll select from history, and we want this one that we just rendered here. And for the camera, we'll do minimal camera changes so that it'll do the least amount of movements between the start and the end frame. And product motion will be static. We don't want it to move. We just want the camera to move. Change the resolution to 1080 and generate. So while that's generating, we'll try another video with this one. And instead of selecting an end frame, we'll leave it as none. And then we'll change the camera to an orbit or a spiral. So let's do the spiral because then it will descend as it's rotating, kind of like a helical path. And product motion will be static again. 8 seconds and 1080p, generate video. All right, the videos are done. Let's check them out. Not bad. This is the start and end frame one. You can see it starts with frame 1 and then slowly transitions to the end frame without any major jolts, so it looks pretty natural. And then here's the spiral camera. And you could put these videos together in some video editing software like Camtasia with some fading transitions that might look nice for a product video. So that's it for the video tutorial.